Said you're mixing milk on the ginger. Whoa, Nana Kwadu, watch your way special. Say we better and for one in your baby. Subscribe to Nana. No bema when you need you. Savannah Janinoa, dear. Nana Kwadu, why special? Savannah Janinoa, dear. Nana Kwadu, why special? Savannah Janinoa, dear. Nana Kwadu, why special? Nana Kwadu teach us how to cook. You make cooking feel so fun, so good. Teach us how to cook. Food so delicious, why just lose? Savannah Janinoa, dear. Nana Kwadu, why special? Savannah Janinoa.
Hello, welcome to my channel, Nana Kwadu Special. And y'all know me, Mama Kwaba. My grandkids kept asking me when I'll do my waffles, so I decided to share the recipe with you. So what you need is 200 grams of flour. Into that I'll be adding my baking powder, which is 2 teaspoons. I use 3 tablespoons of sugar and a pinch of salt. I use a teaspoon of vanilla sugar, and that is some margarine, which is 150 grams, and 2 eggs. And here you see me adding 200 milliliters of milk, and that's all you need. I'll just mix that with a hand mixer so it's all smooth. Then I'll just grease the waffle maker with some oil, or you could use some margarine butter, whichever you prefer. I actually got this recipe from my younger sister, Frima, who also loves baking and cooking just as much as I do. And that's it. And I just repeated that a few times because my grandkids, they just keep eating it and they love it. That's it. And I always love dressing it with some fruits or some whipped cream. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I hope you like it. That looks just wonderful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share. Nyami shamunya. Thank you for watching.